Make 12 Super Bowl decorations using only napkins and household items. Press a glass down on a stack of napkins and twirl. This looks great at a buffet table. Wait till you see the next hack. Cut the top off of a balloon and wrap it around the end of a paper tube. Secure with duct tape and decorate with a napkin. Fill with confetti. Pull back the end of the balloon and shoot out your confetti. Isn't that fun? This next hack reuses cardboard. Cut pieces the size of a coaster and cover with napkins. I like to use a quick drying craft glue. These custom coasters are a perfect addition to your Super Bowl party. This next hack will also look great next to your football feast. Cut a piece of paper towel roll and decorate with a napkin. Attach with craft glue. Accent with white ribbon. This napkin ring is a fun and useful decoration. It's easy to make a football banner using cardstock and a napkin. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing as I post new videos every week. This next decoration is a football centerpiece with a reused can and, you guessed it, a napkin. Cover the can with craft glue and cover with the napkin. Finish the edge and tuck in the top. You can also glue the edges to make it more secure. Fill with flowers and accent with a football printout. It's a great centerpiece showing team colors. Make a smaller can to hold props. These can be made with cardstock, by free printouts, and paper straws. Place rocks in the can to secure the props. Place them on a table for an interactive decoration. I love the next hack. Cut square pieces of the napkin and stack them on top of each other. I used 5 pieces. Fold it up and flip it over and fold again. Secure the center and cinch with a twist tie. Separate the edges and fan out. Fluff for a football flower. Put a tea light in the center for a football candle holder. You're not going to believe the next hack. Cut a piece of cardstock and cover with a napkin. Trim and fold in the edges. Use craft glue to give a nice finished look. Mark 1 inch from the top in the bottom and in the center. Fold in half and cut 1 inch slits up into the marked area. Open up and glue the sides together. I can't wait to show you what this is going to look like. Once it's secured, take the top and bottom and push it together. Add a handle with cardstock. I like to accent it with a yellow ribbon for the first down marker. Add a tea light for a beautiful football field lantern. The next hack reuses a paper tube from the inside of wrapping paper roll. Rather than a hard tube, this one had a rolled up piece of cardboard. This is perfect to wrap around a candle. I used craft glue and another napkin. Once it's finished, wrap it around the candle. This is a great way to decorate a candle because it can be easily removed. Can you believe all this only cost $1.25? Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!